What's up, tech downloaders, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today we have a very special quick walkthrough on how to set up a brand new Apple 2018 MacBook Pro with the touch bar, so you have an idea of what to expect. Now, if you enjoyed the video, as always, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments down below. Let's get started. Now, as I said, this is going to be the 2018 MacBook Pro with the touch bar. It's a 15-inch screen, and we're going to show you some of the screens to expect when you're actually walking through the setup. We'll go through it step by step, and if you guys have any questions, please share those down below in the comment section. So one of the first screens you'll see is just basically selecting the region that you live in. Then you're going to go ahead and click the keyboard layout that you want to go with. Since we're in the US, we're going to go ahead and select the US. You can click show all to kind of see all the selections. The next option is going to be to select your Wi-Fi connection. So the Wi-Fi that you're on will usually display on the list that's here, but if you have a wired connection, or if you currently don't have an internet connection, you click that other option on the side, and then you have those options available there. Now, if your internet is hidden, some people hide their internet signal for security purposes, you would scroll all the way to the bottom, you hit this other button here, and once hit, you can enter your network name and password, and then the computer would connect to it as if it was able to see it. So these are the different transfer options that you have. You can transfer information from a Mac, a backup, or startup disk if you're coming from a Mac currently. If you're coming from a Windows PC, you can transfer the information from there, or you can start fresh by clicking not transferring any information at all and moving on to the next screen. Now, enabling location usually helps for different apps like maps and things that use your location based in order to provide the information. Then you're going to sign in using your Apple ID if you currently have it, or you can create a new one, or if you forgot the password for your current one, you can also get that here. Now, you can also use a separate Apple ID or an Apple or iTunes ID to log in as well. So once you are logged in, we're going to go ahead and skip this for demonstration purposes and move on to the next screen. And then once you agree to the terms of service here, you're going to get to a screen where you're going to create the actual user that's logging into the account. So this is creating the administrative user for the account, which is going to have full access to everything on the laptop. So you want to make sure that you're creating this with a password that you're going to remember, because it's extremely important. This is basically the account that controls all other accounts on the laptop, the main account, so it's extremely important. Once you get past this analytics screen, then we're going to come to another way of logging into the laptop. You can also enable Siri as well, the same that you would do on your cell phone. So the Touch ID is also available on this laptop. Because you have this touch bar, you can actually create a fingerprint way of entering the laptop, similar to what you would do on your iPhone, the older iPhones with the Touch ID anyway. And simply by creating your fingerprint, you can log directly into the laptop without inputting any kind of password or information. And that's going to really do it for the setup. Once you're in, you're all set. You can start to customize the laptop to your liking. It's a really beautiful laptop. We'll get a little bit more into some of the features in other videos. Now, if you enjoyed the video, guys, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to share your thoughts and comments down below on different how-tos and walkthroughs you'd like to see on the channel. Now, go ahead and check out some of our other videos now, and until next time, peace out.